Hi,
Hi. Hi, Sunyana.
hi, how are you?
How are you? I'm fine.
Finally, we get to talk other than the internet. I mean,
Yeah,
we usually talk via tweets and
yeah, via tweets and sometimes during press shows. Silly Karupati
correct.
கடைசியா
Yeah.
பார்த்தது. Yeah, so how's lockdown treating you? Like, hmm?
Sorry?
How's lockdown treating you? எப்படி போயிட்டு இருக்கு உங்களுக்கு? Daily activitiesலாம் any routine மாதிரி இருக்கா இல்லாட்டி ரேண்டமா ஜாலியா இருக்கீங்களா?
Actually, எனக்கு பெரிய ஒரு டிஃபரன்ஸ் தெரியல ஏன்னா my life is you always been like this. Otherwise also நான் ரொம்ப வெளிய போயிட்டு you know going out and eating and like even like I do hang out with my friends of course but எனக்கு இங்கே ஹைதராபாத்ல நிறைய ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ் இல்ல என்னோட
Okay,
ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ் வந்து வேற வேற சிட்டிஸ்ல இருக்காங்க ஸோ ஹைதராபாத்ல இருந்தா நான் கண்டிப்பா வீட்ல தான் இருப்பேன்
okay. So இப்போ நீங்க
ஸோ
currently ஹைதராபாத்ல இருக்கீங்களா இல்ல சென்னையில? ஹைதராபாத்.
I live in Hyderabad. My entire family
Okay.
is in Hyderabad. Yes.
Oh, okay, okay, yeah. So I think Hyderabad, the situation must be far better, right? In Chennai, it's like daily evening. I think you must be following the
நான்
news.
ஆக்சுவலி நியூஸ் எல்லாம் எல்லாமே ஆஃப் பண்ணிட்டேன் டெய்லி ஜஸ்ட் ஒரு ஹாஃப் அன் ஹவர் கொஞ்சம் அப்டேட் லைக் ஐ அப்டேட் மை செல்ஃப் அண்ட் தென் அதுக்கப்புறம் நான் நியூஸே பார்க்க மாட்டேன் ஒன்லி பிகாஸ் அஃப்கோர்ஸ் இட்ஸ் இம்பார்ட்டன்ட் டு நோ வாட்ஸ் கோயிங் ஆன் அவுட் சைட் பட் for a human mind, for a normal mind, this is very, it can be very depressing also.
Okay,
A
okay,
lot of people are getting sick and
okay.
uh, people are really really badly affected, so it can take a toll on your health. Adanala na koncham I'm just staying away
So
from
just
the
choosing to
news,
stay
but
away from negative news.
yeah,
Okay.
but I think definitely it's okay. I will not say ரொம்ப okay எல்லாமே நார்மலா தான் இருக்கு அந்த மாதிரி எல்லாம் சொல்ல மாட்டேன். அண்ட் ஆல்சோ எனக்கு தெரியாது என்ன வாட்ஸ் கோயிங் ஆன் அவுட் சைட் பிகாஸ் நான் வெளியே போ
Okay. Yeah.
ஸோ ஃப்ரம் மார்ச்ல இருந்து இப்போ வரைக்கும் நான் வீட்டில் தான்
Wow. So like complete quarantine. So like totally following the government rules. Stay home, stay
completely.
safe.
It's not about அந்த கவர்மெண்ட் ரூல் இருக்கு. See, even I can like go out and I can do like meet people அதெல்லாம் பண்ணிருக்கலாம். But at the end of the day அது வந்து நம்மளோட ஃபேமிலிக்கே எஃபெக்ட் ஆகும் ஃபர்ஸ்ட். So I feel this is not something that because the government is saying I'm trying to stay at home. I'm staying at home because I want to keep my family safe.
Nice, nice.
அவ்வளவுதான்.
And then coming to the actual interview, so like கண்டிப்பா ரீசெண்டா like போன வருஷம் எண்ட்ல வந்து சிலு கருப்பட்டி ரிலீஸ் ஆகி like it had a very good run in
போன
theaters.
வருஷம் ரைட் கரெக்ட் போன வருஷம் அந்த it doesn't
Yeah.
click like because it feels like சிலுகர்பட்டி இப்பதான் ரிலீஸ் ஆயிடுச்சு பட் 2019 was a couple of months ago. அதுக்கப்புறம் 4-5 months போயிருச்சு இப்படியே.
5 months ஆயிடுச்சு. Tomorrow is June.
Yeah. Oh God. இதெல்லாம் சொல்லாதீங்க.
We're almost nearing the halfway mark of 2020.
Correct.
Half year.
Yes.
Yeah. So அதான் இப்ப சில கருப்பட்டி வந்து நெட்ஃபிளிக்ஸ்ல ரிலீஸ் ஆனதுக்கு அப்புறமா இன்னுமே அந்த படத்துக்கு நிறைய ஃபேன்ஸ் இருக்காங்க. lot of people are saying so many beautiful things about the film. So உங்களுக்கு எப்படி நிறைய கமெண்ட்ஸ் வந்துட்டு இருக்கா during this lockdown? People seeing சில கருப்பட்டி and talking to you on social media.
Obviously படம் December release ஆயிடுச்சு and we had an overwhelming amazing response from the press. Thank you so much. So we were very very happy and but நிறைய பேருக்கு சிலுக்கற்பட்டி மாதிரி ஒரு படம் இருக்கு ஒரு நல்ல படம் இருக்கு இது தெரியல. So they didn't know that there's a film and they should even go out and watch this film. They were like completely like what film is this and can't even tell story கூட தெரியல ட்ரெய்லர்ல. So no hints, nothing.
Yeah.
So it was just a feel good trailer. அவ்வளவுதான். So நிறைய பேர் confused ஆயிட்டு they were like okay whatever. So yeah, a set of audience thanks to of course the media, to you guys. A lot of people went out and watched the film and it did very well in the theaters. But after the lockdown, Netflixல release ஆனதுக்கு அப்புறம் there was an entire new set of audience who were watching the film at home. And Silukarpatti is always like either like popular in India and the sectionல இருக்கும் or trending or something like that on the front page. for a lot of people. So நிறைய பேர் பார்த்தாங்க, அதுக்கப்புறம் ஒரு set of audience பார்த்தாங்க. In fact, a lot of people from the industry also didn't see the film.
Okay.
So later in lockdown,
set of audience.
Sorry.
So as you said, it's given you a whole different set of audience, like not just from audience but also. Yeah.
Exactly. So a lot of people saw the film after the lockdown, and the response is still amazing. Even now I'm getting it, and இப்போ வந்து Telugu audience பார்த்துட்டு இருக்காங்க.
Oh, nice.
So I'm getting a lot of tweets and messages about Siligarpatti review. It's a Telugu page. And I'm like, oh, and then I mean, of course, more tweets, more messages from Telugu audience, and everyone, they're suggesting the movie to others, and they're saying, watch the film, it has subtitles. So, pretty tension illa. You can watch the film even if you don't understand the language. So, after the lockdown, for sure, and obviously it has helped Netflix, the film being on Netflix, it has helped the film a lot. And more than that, I think it's 2D entertainment. Surya Sir and Jyotika ma'am even like wanting to take the film in the first place. Of course, the film is good. All credits to Halita. But it's also who's backing the film.
Correct.
So those are the factors, and there is every day or pudu tweet or post or message that I just saw the film. And like it was so good, it like feels good, and so yeah, I am getting a lot of response.
So your career can be like divided into pre-Siligarpatti and post-Siligarpatti. It's like that, right? It's a big turning point.
Pre-Kadal Villen, post-Kadal Villen.
Yeah.
Then that middle segment, and then pre-Siligarpatti, post-Siligarpatti, for sure. A lot of people can say that. Yeah.
And looking back at your career, பாத்தீங்கன்னா ஒரு மாதிரி ஒரு இன்ட்ரெஸ்டிங்கான கரியர் உங்களுக்கு. ஏன்னா ஸ்டார்டிங் வந்து காதல் விழுந்தேன், அப்புறம் மாஸ்லா மணிலாம் ஒரு மாதிரி நல்ல கமர்ஷியல் லவ் சாங்ஸ்னு சொல்லிட்டு லாட் ஆஃப் பீப்புள் என்ஜாய். அப்ப சன் பிக்சர்ஸ் வேற பாத்தீங்கன்னா 2 படமும் பெரிய ரீச் இருந்துச்சு. அதுக்கப்புறம் கொஞ்சம் சீரியஸ் பிலிம்ஸ் பண்ணீங்க, வம்சம், நீர் பறவை அப்படின்னு. அதுக்கப்புறம் ஒரு பெரிய கேப் இருந்துச்சு. அப்புறம் தெரியல சின்னதா ஒரு கேமியோ. அப்புறம் இப்ப திருப்பியும் ஒரு கம்பேக். சோ லைக் ஹவ் டு யூ எக்ஸ்பிளைன் திஸ்? ஒரு மாதிரி ஸ்லோ அண்ட் ஸ்டெடி அண்ட் அப்ஸ் அண்ட் டவுன்ஸ்.
Because எனக்கு வந்து முன்னாடில இருந்து I wanted to do very meaningful films, ஒரு ஏதோ டிஃப்ரெண்டான ஒரு என்னோட actually even my mindset, my the way I thought about films and the way I kind of understood films was very different. So when I started, the only thing that was super like in trend was commercial films.
Okay.
Adukku mele there's nothing, anything after that was nothing. So only commercial films did really well, and appo oru nadula oru Parthiviran or like something like that will come, and like of course it's a big film, but in between films like realistic films will come, and that was the time when I got opportunities like Vamsam and Neer Paravai. Koncha enoda the kind of films I like and the category la irundhathu. Definitely 100%. But I wanted to get more real than that. I wanted to be like an experience. So Siligarpatti vandu or periya example of what kind of films I wanted to do from the beginning. But I'm not saying that I don't like commercial films. I will not say that. I will enjoy commercial films like crazy. Like it's a high. Or a high irko. Le theater la poi ukandute, if you watch a big film, a commercial film, it just makes you crazy and happy. So of course the love of film started from commercial films, but I have a very very big like soft spot for different unique films. Correct. So நான் டெஃபினெட்லி சின்ன வயசுல இருந்து நான் கமர்ஷியல் ஃபிலிம்ஸும் பார்த்துட்டு இருக்கேன், இந்த மாதிரி டிஃப்ரெண்டான ஃபிலிம்ஸும் பார்த்துட்டு இருக்கேன். I was watching a lot of world cinema as a child. So the way I approached the way I தமிழ்ல எப்படி சொல்லணும், approach different இருந்தது.
உங்களோட
for those
கண்ணோட்டம்,
reasons.
பெர்ஸ்பெக்டிவ்,
Yeah.
கண்ணோட்டம்.
Yeah. So thank you. So அதனால என்னோட career கொஞ்சம் different ஆ இருந்தது எல்லாருக்கும். Which is why maybe even people feel that oh ரொம்ப real ஆ இருந்தது உங்க performance. Yes, because you know these are kind of films that I've been loving for so many years, other than commercial films.
Okay. Yeah, and I think உங்க upcoming film அந்த ட்ரிப்ங்கிறது ஒரு மாதிரி ஒரு solo heroine driven film, ஒரு மாதிரி action film மாதிரி. Is that closer to your meter or like will that be like a commercial action film?
அது வந்து அந்த படம் வந்து டெஃபினெட்லி நான் என்ஜாய் பண்ண மாதிரி படத்துல படம் மாதிரி இருக்கும் டெஃபினெட்லி. ஸோ it's definitely something that I do enjoy, like a dark comedy or like a mystery or a thriller. I love thrillers. எனக்கு thrillers na ரொம்ப பிடிக்கும். So mostly the series that I watch are super thrillers and mystery or something twisted irundha super ah irukum. So it definitely falls under that category. And adukaprom you know there's படத்துல யோகி பாபு சார் இருக்காங்க and கருணாகரன் சார் இருக்காங்க. So both of them bring in what everyone likes, which is comedy. Yeah, dark comedy.
Okay. Yeah. And I remember like you said that you're like into a lot of parallel cinema, thrillers and that sort. So in the lockdown, like you're seeing such kind of films and series. Like any recommendations for your fans? Like what kind of content you're seeing this lockdown?
Honestly, நான் எதுவுமே பார்க்கல இப்ப வரைக்கும் because I wanted to already நிறைய stress இருக்கு from what is going on in the world right now. I didn't want to indulge because நான் in case ஒரு series start பண்ணா I will get into it, I will dive into it, I will become that, my mood will change and avlo andalukku na involve ஆயிடுவேன் ஒரு சீரீஸ்ல ஒரு ஃபிலிம்ல. So I didn't want to do that right now. So இப்போ வந்து நான் காமெடி தான் பார்த்துட்டு இருக்கேன், which is very rare. I'm not like, my first preference is not comedy when I watch, like selective like if I want to go and select something, I will watch thriller first and then I'll be like okay, let me watch comedy now. So but na friends பார்த்துட்டு இருக்கேன். So it's not it's like it's a fun,
very jolly and light,
very light. Yeah, ரொம்ப ஹெவியா இல்லாம. So no recommendations. I haven't seen Money Heist, I haven't seen what all other series that have come out because I'm just like I don't want to commit to anything right now.
And like நீங்க like one of the few actors who like already done a lot of web shows and series. ஏன்னா உங்க சினிமா வந்து சிலுக்கருப்பட்டிக்கு முன்னாலே பாத்தீங்கன்னா சீரிஸ் ஷோஸ்லாம் ஒரு 3-4 ரிலீஸ் ஆயிருக்குன்னு நினைக்கிறேன். அது சில பேர் ஃபீல் பண்ணுவாங்க இந்த மாதிரி சீரிஸ் அண்ட் ஷோஸ் பண்ணனா சினிமால வந்து ஆஃபர்ஸ் கம்மியாயிடும், ஆப்பர்ச்சுனிட்டிஸ் கம்மியாயிடுங்கிற மாதிரி ஒரு பெர்ஸ்பெக்டிவ் இருக்கு. லைக் டிட் பீப்புள் அட்வைஸ் யூ அபௌட் தட்? சரி நீங்க சீரிஸ் இப்பவே பண்ணாதீங்க, சினிமா பண்ணுங்கிற மாதிரிலாம் டிட் யூ கெட் எனி ஒப்பீனியன்ஸ் அபௌட் யுவர் சாய்ஸ்?
ஓ வெரி மச். எனக்கு சிலுக்கருப்பட்டியில கூட அந்த அட்வைஸ் வந்துருச்சு. Also because I was playing a mother and I was playing a mother to 3 kids, 3 children. So and also series because series வந்து ஒரு நான் தான் I think I was one of the few actors down south who accepted a series first. As far as I know. So I was like, everyone was like, what are you doing? What is with like these very random decisions? Yeah, sudden series kulla poringa or friends, and even friends were questioning me. Friends as in people who are my friends who are from the industry. So like I said, na chinna vayasula irundhu nariya series movies, different kind of movies paathiட்டு இருக்கேன். When an opportunity to act in a series came my way, I immediately took it. Adu vandu enak it was not at all like ayyo pannalama or should I like think about it. I didn't even think twice. I was like, thank you so much for bringing this to me. So I was very very happy that director Nandini approached me. Munnadi and nila odivakaga there was another actress, I don't want to name them. They had approached another actress and she had said no, Because she was like in the series படத்துல படம் மாதிரி பண்ணா நல்லா இருக்கும்னு சொன்னாங்க. So quite known. So that was the response, and they were like, no, 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 we want to do this as a series. அதுக்கப்புறம் தான் எங்க கிட்ட வந்தேன். I think after a few people, then I think they came to me, and then I had a very different approach towards series and these kind of things. So I immediately accepted it, and yeah, like I never thought, never ever, not once I thought that it's taking a step back or I might not get films. In fact, people started noticing more after doing series.
Okay, that's true.
Which I knew is going to happen, but people didn't know that.
So, like going forward, you're going to balance both series as well as films. That's your plan, right? Like
for sure, but I would not do series as I was doing it earlier. Like I did 3-4 in total.
Yeah.
Right. இப்போ அடுத்த சீரீஸ் நான் பண்ணா கூட அது வந்து கண்டிப்பா it will not, I mean I will make sure that I'm doing something. Of course I've done quality content already. You know, when it comes to South Indian web series. But moving forward, it will be something unique, because we are introducing web series and series to the audience, to the South Indian. They are not aware of what the series is. Maximum 90%. I will tell you 90%. I get messages every day. They are like, where is episode? They don't know season 1, season 2, which is fine. So we are introducing the concept of a web series to the audience, and we do it slowly. We are not going to make it complicated, and we do it slowly. And now my next, if I accept a series, it is going to be something which will make you think a little. Like it will be a slightly complicated. It has to be something unique and different. You have to sit. It should be like sitting in an exam. That kind of feeling. You should be thinking while you're watching the series.
So, like, have you logged any future projects during this lockdown? Have you been listening to film projects and show projects?
I was getting a lot of offers right around the time when the quarantine start. Like 1 week, 2 weeks, I was getting a lot of calls, and people were calling me for we're going to start this film in June or May. And I knew from December, I'm not saying I'm a super smart person, but I had something in my head that I was like, no, like this is not going to, this will take some time. We are not easily going to like get past this, and it will take time. We will get past it, but it will take some time. So நிறைய பேர் வந்து ஜூன் start pandro shoot, May start pandro, and I was like, no, it is not possible. I think you should relax a little bit, take a chill pill, because I don't think that's going to happen. So, and that's what happened. So everyone, like, I think everyone is like kind of chilling and relaxing, and only now slowly like people are like, okay, let's plan for at least the second half of the year what we're going to do and adalame. So project wise, I had already started shooting for ஒரு தெலுங்கு படம் commit பண்ணேன். It's called Raja Raja Chora with actor Sri Vishnu. So அது வந்து already we've
Mental Madilo and
yes. So I've already shot for it, not completely. I haven't finished the film. I've shot like some 20% of my work is over. So we still have the rest of the film to shoot. So that is there, and I did get a few offers, but I am talking about it. Like I haven't committed to anything yet.
Yeah, Sharan.
Sorry, I
Oh,
think there was a connection issue.
yeah, connection issue.
Yeah, no problem.
So like you were
Yeah,
talking
so
about that.
yeah, so I did commit, and we did shoot a certain portion of the film, but I am getting offers, of course, but I haven't finalized any. It completely depends on how the year goes, and like obviously dates and all those things matter. So அதெல்லாமே இப்போ கொஞ்சம் ட்ரிக்கியா இருக்கு. கமிட் பண்ணதுக்கு you need to know what is going to actually happen. So yeah, like a lot, like for example நிறைய பேர் வந்து they want to suddenly start shooting in like August. So like 3 projects approached at the same time. They're like, we want to start in August. So we have to keep those things in mind and kind of come. So yeah, I am getting offers, but I haven't committed to anything else because the priority right now is to finish the Telugu film, which I already committed to, and also trip release agano.
Correct. And like, do you want to say hi to your fans? A lot of them are commenting, and some of them are even asking questions. Like,
you can choose. Hi everyone.
Yeah.
You can Kaushik, you can choose any question you feel is appropriate. If you see something in the middle of a
some of them asked you whether you would play a scientist role, whether you would do a gangster role. There were some fan comments which I noticed. Like, can you take that
gangster?
question? Gangster role, yeah.
இப்போ வந்து அது கம்ப்ளீட்லி அது டிபெண்ட்ஸ் ஆன் டைரக்டர் மேலதான் டிபெண்டன்ட் பிகாஸ் யூ வாண்ட் டு பி லைக் அ ரியலிஸ்டிக் கேங்ஸ்டர் ஒரு லைக் ரொம்ப ஸ்டைலிஷா ஒரு இது இல்லாம லைக் ஐ டோன்ட் வாண்ட் டு டூ சம்திங் லைக் தட் if I want to play a gangster I will definitely play something which is real over here in India la eppadi irukum gangsters. So I want to, like for example, like how Halita portrayed a mother. So it is very very much real. So andamari irundha definitely why not.
And finally, like Talapati Vijay பத்தி ஒரு क्वेश्चन கேட்கலாம்னா, ஏன்னா நீங்க வந்து அவரோட தெரியல நடிச்சிருக்கீங்க back in 2016. அப்ப பாத்தீங்கன்னா அவருக்கு தெரிய வந்து it was like a comeback film for him because முந்தின படம் புலி வந்து அவருக்கு சரியா போல. தெரியக்கு அப்புறம் பாத்தீங்கன்னா is literally not
I didn't know. Okay. Okay.
தெரியக்கு அப்புறம் வந்த படம் பையனா மெர்சல் ஆகட்டும், பிகில், அப்புறம் சர்க்கார் எல்லாமே பெரிய ஹிட். இன்னைக்கு like he's like super duper high. So like looking back at the Terry experience, like, and about Vijay sir's current huge stardom. So any words about that?
Vijay sir has already been big from the beginning. So of course like ஒரு ஆக்டரோட கரியர்ல வந்து அந்த ஒரு அப்ஸ் அண்ட் டவுன்ஸ் இருக்கும். டெஃபினெட்லி எல்லா படம் வந்து கண்டினியூஸா ஹிட் ஆகாது. பட் so that's not a like I mean I want to say that he's a star anyways, like nevertheless he's going to be star always. So I've of course like I've worked with him and I have spoken to him and he's very romba soft spoken. He is like romba soft spoken irupanga and he was very nice, very sweet, and it didn't feel like that I was working with a superstar. Like I actually remember na Terry shooting kaga pone and I was getting ready in a small room because and the veetla irundhathu shooting. So பக்கத்துல இருக்கிற lanes எல்லாம் roads எல்லாமே கொஞ்சம் சின்ன சின்னதா இருந்தது. So there was no caravan இருக்காது.
Okay.
So இருந்தா கொஞ்சம் தூரம் தான் இருக்கும். So ஒரு shot if you want to come to the location you have to walk a lot and I was wearing a sari. So I said I want to be in the house itself. Or room la we can get ready, it's okay. But Vijay sir was in a caravan, obviously like he can like run and walk or whatever, he's like fabulous, so he can do that. But I was wearing a sari. So I was getting ready and I heard one loud scream, like some hundreds of people scream at like once. And I was like, what happened? Did like something like is there like an earthquake or some thunder, some disaster, or what happened? Why is everyone screaming? But they saw Vijay sir just like get into the house or like walk from the caravan to the house, and it was so loud. It was an experience. என்னோட அம்மா கூட இருந்தாங்க ஷூட்ல. So she was like, what happened, like are we like in danger or something? So it was like the fans who were like, who saw him and they like went crazy, and that was really nice to see that, because I haven't, you know, I haven't seen that a lot in you know, like that kind of craze for someone. So he was very soft spoken. He's very kind, very sweet. In fact, actually, he was very sweet. Adala, he doesn't need to tell me that I've done well in my career, or I am a good dancer, and like I really like that song. He doesn't need to do that. But like he was like, it was like 2 days of shoot, and I have a very good memory of him, as in like the conversation that I had with him. So he's very sweet, and yeah, like Vijay sir ku vanda kandipa, he has a sense of major sense of humor. Kandipa irukku. Or though he's a very he comes across as a very quiet,
serious
serious and very like calm, composed or whatever, an introvert, he has a great sense of humor. I can tell that act பண்ணும்போது தெரியும் அது. Because spontaneous பண்ணுவாங்க சில gestures எல்லாம் spontaneous வரும், and I was like, we did not rehearse for this, suddenly he'll come in a shot. So that was it was a great experience working with him, for sure.
And if you master songs, like everybody is like so crazy about master songs. And what's your favorite master song? Like, have you listened to all the songs, master?
I've listened to them here and there, but not like religiously. I haven't listened, because ipo vanda we are going through something else. So like it's a different time. Not able to catch up to things that are going on, honestly, other than what is happening in the world right now. So yeah, like whenever like we are slightly stress free, we'll come back to doing everything.
Super. Yeah. So thanks a lot for your time, and
not at all, no problem.
Yeah. And if finally unga fans ku konjam or hi soltinga, they'll also be happy, because some feel that only we are talking and we're not involved in the fans.
Hi everyone. Hi guys. How are you doing? That was beautiful. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for joining the live with us. நீங்க நான் actually நிறைய comments போயிட்டு இருக்கு, but ரொம்ப ஃபாஸ்டா
ஆமா நிறைய comments போயிட்டு இருக்கு.
I'm not able to like catch up to the comments, and most of the comments are like hearts and smileys. So I just wanted to say hi. So hi guys, and thank you for joining, and yeah, we'll see you soon. Release another apro. We'll
see you soon in Chennai press meet, press show. Hopefully back to the normal.
Hopefully, or Zoom meeting irko kandipa.
Yeah. Thanks a lot.
Thank you so much, Kaushik. Thank you. It was nice talking to you.
Thanks a lot, Sunaina. Pleasure.
Bye.
Yeah, bye.
Bye everyone. Thank you. Bye.
Thank you guys. Thanks a lot for joining. Again, keep supporting. I'll join you again with another live, and hopefully we'll have another direct interaction too. Thanks a lot guys. Good night. Have a good week ahead.